Hey everyone, if you're growing a TikTok account in 2025, it's the perfect time to start making money from your content. Today I will show you exactly how to monetize your TikTok account fast and easy. If you're already posting and building a following, TikTok gives you multiple ways to earn from gifts, video gifts, subscription to the creator marketplace. So let's jump right in. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Now tap three lines at the top right corner and head into settings and privacy. From there, tap account and check whether you're a personal or business account. If you're still on a personal account, I recommend switching to a business account. It unlocks more monetization options and gives you a deeper analytics. Once you have switched, go back to the menu and tap on TikTok Studio. Inside TikTok Studio, you'll see a section for monetization. Tap on View All to see all available programs. Here's where the real opportunities open up. Depending on your eligibility, you'll see the options like video gifts, subscriptions, creator rewards program, creator marketplace. Each program has its own requirements. For example, some may require a minimum of 10,000 followers. If you're not eligible yet, no worries. Just tap notify me when eligible, and TikTok will let you know when you're good to go. And once you're in, you can start tracking your estimated rewards right from TikTok Studio. When your earnings reach the withdrawal threshold, you can transfer the money directly to the bank account. Is that simple? If this video helped you out, hit the subscription button and it really supports the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.